Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about 6 signs that you could be a winging it with reading parent and how you can become a confident nailing it with reading parent. So let's start with the 6 signs that you could be a winging it with reading parent. So it could be you're worried that your child is not making as much progress with their reading as you would like. Possibly your child is reliant on you to tell them the words they can't read in their reading book. Perhaps you're not entirely sure what your child should be doing with their reading book, particularly if they've already read it at school. Maybe you don't know how to help your child when they get stuck reading a word. Maybe your child is not keen to read at home. Sometimes it may be a battle of wills. Perhaps you don't want to confuse your child by using an approach to reading that conflicts with what they've learnt at school, but actually you don't fully understand how your child is being taught to read. So, panic not. It is possible to become the confident nailing it with reading parent who is happy with the progress their child is making with their reading, who has a child who knows what to try when they get stuck reading a word and who doesn't just ask an adult for help straight away, who knows what their child should be doing with their reading book, even if they've already read it at school, who feels confident they know how to help their child when they get stuck reading a word, who has a child who's keen to read to them both at home and they both enjoy the experience, and someone who understands how their child is being taught to read at school and feels confident to use the same approach at home. So you can take another step towards becoming this confident, nailing it with reading parent by discovering how to make the times that your reception or year one child reads to you at home easier and more enjoyable for both of you, whilst maximising the progress your child makes. And you can do this by signing up to my next online reading workshop. Details of this you'll find in the text that accompanies this video. I look forward to working with some of you on the next workshop.